As a popular science blogger with 0 followers, from today onwards, I will spend the rest of my life leading my 0 fans to explore all the mysteries of the universe. From the origin of the universe to the birth and death of stars. From the formation of the Earth to life. How did it appear step by step? To how humanity got to where it is today. I'll make it clear. How did this world come into being? Why do we exist? And those unknowns that humans are still exploring. And today we will start with the most familiar and the most. An important celestial body began with the moon. How was it born? The moon you see every night. It was actually the product of a devastating impact. It doesn't grow naturally. They were punched out of the earth. One could even say, without that impact, it's very likely that there would be no life on Earth today at all. Back in time 4.60 billion years ago, there was no Earth then. There is no moon. Just a huge cloud of gas and dust. This material comes from stars that have long since exploded. Then the cloud began to collapse under an attractive force. The center ignites a young star, the Sun, and formed around the Sun, a spinning disk of dust. All planets are located here, slowly growing on the plate, including the Earth. The Earth just formed was not like this at all. It's more like a fireball that keeps being hit. Lava is everywhere. Extremely high temperature, and asteroids kept coming down. Each impact releases a tremendous amount of energy, keep heating the Earth. At this time, the Earth's surface is not even stable. Then comes the most crucial scene. One is about the size of Mars. The planet broke into Earth's orbit. Scientists called it Gaia. It didn't hit the Earth head-on. He hit it at an oblique angle. That changed everything. What was the result of the impact? The first is that vast amounts of material on the surface of the Earth were directly torn apart. The second part of the substance is vaporized at high temperature, and the third part, massive amounts of hot rock were thrown into space. A ring of debris forms around the Earth. You can imagine, a ring of luminous magma has appeared around the Earth. So, here we go. Something magical happened. The fragments didn't spread out. Under the attractive force of the Earth, they start to gather slowly, from rubble to large rocks, to a complete celestial body. This process may only take a few weeks to a few months. And the moon was born. The moon was born very close to the Earth. It looks 15 to 20 times bigger than it is now. What you see when you look up is not a little moon. It's a giant red ball that takes up half the sky. Okay, here's the thing. The moon doesn't just accompany the Earth. It directly changed the fate of the Earth. If there is no moon, the Earth's axis of rotation will swing like crazy. Extreme changes in climate. It's extremely cold today. It may be extremely hot tomorrow. Life is difficult to develop steadily. The moon's attractive force also pulls the Earth's oceans to form tides. And the tides are an important condition for the birth of life. Seawater is constantly being brought ashore. Go back again. Let various molecules repeatedly gather and concentrate to react. This is the cradle of life, so to speak. Look, one more thing. The moon slows down the Earth's rotation. Early Earth days may have been only a few hours long. But under the influence of the moon, the day is getting longer. The environment has also become more stable. Well, if it hadn't been for that crash, no moon, the axis will be confused. The climate can be extreme. The tides will weaken. Ocean circulation is going to deteriorate. As a result, life is unlikely to evolve stably. Humans may not even appear at all. So what you see, the moon is no ordinary satellite. It is the product of a destruction, order born out of chaos. And that's the key to making our planet a home. Well, the next time you look up at the moon, what you saw was actually 4.60 billion years ago. The traces left by that impact.